don't know, it's, you know how Macs are. Yeah, I got him. It's acting like he wasn't on there. Hey, is this filming, Dad? Red light? I got a big one.
Yeah.
Got a big fish. Carl, can you move the trolling motor to the left? Take us left. Can you veer us left?
If I do that, it'll take us off our drive.
Never mind. It's a big fish, by the way.
Is it?
Look.
Break up the, want me to get this other line? Yeah.
That it'll just get in the way. Right. If you can cut us left, I can chase him.
If it does that, it'll start all over.
Look at this. It's a big fish.
All right. You can always go back to it anyway. No big deal. This left.
Yeah, this one, it's got such a small hook, you know it's going to spit it. Am I filming?
Am I eating? Yeah, your red light's on. Your red light again.
Alright.
You sure you got a fish over there?
He's a big... Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me? Yes, he is kidding.
Come on, Buster.
It doesn't look like we're going to get too shallow here. They got carp in this lake?
Yeah, well, these things practically are carp.
I like carp.
He's fighting. It's dead weight. When he shakes his head, the rod tip goes... Yeah.
Sure, I don't get those lines up.
He's not really... Well, the thing is, if you bring it up, it's probably going to cross me. If you could veer us left, Carl, it'll keep me out of this...
Left, we have to bring up the lines because we're too shallow.
Alright, well, he's swimming into the line now. Look, he's swimming into the line. Why is he so stubborn? I always sound like such a bitch when I'm on YouTube.
Yeah, I know.
It's a big fish.
I remember Alaska. You want me to get the net out?
Look at this thing fighting.
I know it's not. Uh-oh. Carp.
No, it's not the net.
Carp. Goldfish. Big goldfish. Big carp.
It's a swimmer.
Probably on the line.
I know, that's the problem. I'm trying to keep out of it, but I can't.
If we go sub 100, I gotta crank up.
Okay, it's fine. He's not on the line, he's just running into it now and then.
We're at 100 feet, so if we get any lower, I'm losing a hole.
Damn. He's a fighter. I mean, he's not taking line, but holy crap.
Big guy. Want me to net?
See, the thing is, he's crossing. He's gonna cross it. Yeah, he's crossing. No, he's running underneath.
Want me to get the line?
Okay, he's back here. Back behind the boat.
Get up on that stand, Adam. Get up on the stand.
Alright, I'm bringing him over. He's bigger than yours. By far. Woohoo! Nice.
Big guy.
Now I'm happy. When you start eating, that's when you catch fish. He's not huge, but he's bigger than yours. Alright, you don't want to take my picture. I ain't looking too good.